Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular motherboards from ASUS, the Prime B450M-A II and the TUF Gaming Z790-Plus. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and unique features to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're building a budget-friendly PC or a high-performance gaming rig, we've got you covered. The ASUS Prime B450M-A II is priced at just $89, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious builders. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus comes in at $249, reflecting its high-end features and performance capabilities. This significant price difference highlights the target audience for each motherboard. The ASUS Prime B450M-A II is designed for everyday computing and light gaming, offering a good balance of features for its price. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus is built for high-performance gaming and demanding tasks, featuring PCIe 5.0 support and DDR5 memory, ensuring top-tier performance for gamers and content creators alike. While the ASUS Prime B450M-A II offers essential features suitable for most users, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus is packed with advanced features such as Thunderbolt 4 support, extensive cooling solutions, and enhanced networking capabilities with Wi-Fi 6. This makes the TUF Gaming Z790-Plus a more versatile option for high-end builds. In conclusion, the ASUS Prime B450M-A II is an excellent choice for budget builds, while the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus is ideal for those seeking high performance and advanced features. Choose based on your needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.